Good morning. It is football Sunday, so I'm repping my Cleveland Browns sweater, and it's like getting hotter by the second. But I'm going to pick us up some groceries. We're gonna make some like taco nachos, and then we can use the leftovers for tomorrow for actual like tacos. So I'm gonna go do that, but I want to run into Sephora real quick and smell some fragrances, some perfumes, before I place an order online, because they're running like a sale right now, like triple points. So yeah, I'm not buying anything, I'm just smelling. Bad Michaela, bad Michaela, bad Michaela, bad Michaela. What the heck just happened? Look at all this cheese I got. Got myself the pound.
You're smiling for cold Jack. Vlogging. For Sunday cleanup.
Yeah. How do you do it? I don't know what setting it goes to.
Start.
Oh.
It's already set to normal, so.
I just changed into some comfy shorts. And now I'm going to make myself my favorite iced coffee. And as you can tell, I'm completely out of my favorite coffee, and they're sold out everywhere, so. Real quick, I recently finished the audiobook to Foxglove, which is the second book to the Belladonna series. I really loved Belladonna. This one, Foxglove, was also really good. Unfortunately, I did predict the ending to this, but it was still good. I highly recommend these as like a really good fall read. So I started out my fall season with this one here, and then I was able to get the third book in the series, but I'm not sure if I'm going to start this or if I'll maybe try a witchy book. Call me superstitious, but this is the brown hoodie that I wore last week for the Browns game, and they won, and this week I'm not wearing it, so we'll see if they win. Real quick, Sephora haul. So originally I was going in there to smell a couple of replica fragrances, Autumn Vibes, Lazy Sunday Morning, and something else. They all ended up smelling terrible. But instead, I picked up the YSL Libre, which smells really good, and I think I talked about it maybe in the last video, the Victor and Roth Tiger Lily. So I ended up picking these both in the travel size. You'll probably never catch me buying a full bottle of these. It's way too expensive, so I always get the travel ones because they fit easily into my purse. I want to try the detox shampoo. Unfortunately, like, Way is the only shampoo right now that doesn't strip the color out of my roots and the rest of my hair like super quick. I wish there was a drugstore shampoo that could relate, but it just doesn't. So I grabbed a small version of the detox shampoo just to try it out, and I've been dealing with a lot of hair shedding recently, and I did a lot of research on like serums and stuff. This is pricey, but it's supposed to keep your scalp healthy and help make your hair appear thicker, and I have really fine hair, so it's just not focusing. But I wanted to give this a try because I saw that this brand here has a lawsuit out against them for major hair loss, so I'm going to toss this one in the trash. So like I said, I have all of my little travel size perfumes. I'm getting a collection now that I can fit right into this pouch that I put into my purse, along with my little lippies, and it fits right into my purse. And I just wanted to show you my current bag going into the fall season. I treated myself to a bag that I have been in awe, like obsessed with, since I graduated high school back in 2010. This bag is 15 years old in amazing pristine condition, and I got her for a really good price on Depop. So I treated myself, and she is stunning. It's the Alexander Wang Rocky bag. She's hefty, she's pretty heavy, but I'm obsessed. Like, bury me with this bag, bury me. She's gonna get some use out of her. Love. This is how you do Sunday football right. You got your snacks, you got your nachos, your beef nachos. We got a game on the left. We got 4 games up front and a fur baby on the side.
Boring. Gourmet.
Oh my god, how are you supposed to eat that?
Demure.
There's so much there.
Falls down at the 1. So this will take us to the 2-minute warning.